Lego. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body baby. VQs. Let's
It's
go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyara, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. So I'm going to be doing a top knot band tutorial, which is going to be spiced up a bit at the front because I'm going to be leaving here at the front, which is going to be falling on the face. So give me a like, give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe if you've not subscribed. Let me know in the comment section on what you think about this hairstyle. And I used the remaining Abuja maxi braid, which I used on my previous tutorial. I wanted to use a little bit of the gel because I really don't like using too much gel on my hair. Sorry, I didn't want to use too much gel on her hair. So her hair was a bit straightened up before this tutorial, so I only used the gel at the front only, so that I could get the edges to lay down pretty well. So I just put on some gel at the front, just a little bit. As you can see guys, I did not put gel all over the hair because we are trying to use a little gel as much as possible, because sometimes gel also dries up your hair.
Original bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man. His body baby.
It's VQs.
Standard. Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew. Dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee way. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know said make them watch me on the.
I hope you have enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe if you're new here guys, support me. We are almost getting to 6k subs. Yes guys, thanks so much for the support. I cannot be thankful enough to each and every one of you who keeps watching my videos and supporting me and subscribing and all that. Thank you so much. So until our next video guys, bye.
But my music fire, it did drive them crazy. I want them, me one bomb me. For my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio. Every day they play me on me radio. Then they feel me. Anytime they see me on the video. They want to see. When me chilling for me yard, I'm sitting on a low key. Shake who's man a bad man, they can try to see. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Check it raw well, okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hate me when you see me now. They want to know. Tobari me in the street to myself, will make up. They got to go. Tobari me in the bed, do my calm down. Original bad man.
It's VQs.
Standard. Tobari me in the bed, do my calm down. Wọ́n fẹ́ já mi láyà, wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ méjì. But my music fire, it did drive them crazy. I want them, me one bomb me. For my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio. Every day they play me on me radio. Then they feel me. Anytime they see me on the video. They want to see. When me chilling on me yard, I'm sitting on the low key.